Hey guys, welcome back. This is our third video, and this is where we left off last time. So today we're going to learn how to make a pattern, and we are going to also learn how to do the gradient mesh. So let's do the first one. We're going to actually change our pumpkin to have a pattern. Now there's different ways that you can do that, but we're going to go over here to another artboard, and make it over on this one. So I'm gonna, first of all, tell you that we have actually a lot of patterns that are already here and ready for us. So if you go to your swatches panel, you'll notice there are patterns here. So I'm gonna make a square, and then I'm gonna change that to this or this. So there's already patterns that are living here for you. And then also if you go to your libraries, there's tons of things. You can do basic dots, and it will appear here, and you can just see all of these. So these are handy dandy. But today we're going to make our own. So first thing that I'm going to do is decide what kind of a pattern I want to make, and I'm going to do repeating circles of different colors. So to make my first circle, and I'm going to duplicate it, and I'm going to duplicate it again, and then I'm going to change the color, and then that one is going to be super light over here. Okay, now I'm going to go here, and I'm going to hit group, and then I'm going to say click and drag this into my swatches panel, and that is the easiest thing ever. I'm going to click on my pumpkin, and then I'm going to hit that, and you can see I instantly made a pattern in my pumpkin. So there that is. I think that's super cool. Another thing that you can do if you are just trying to fill a space is you can go to Object, Pattern, Repeat, Grid, and here's our grid radial mirror function again, and this will look really familiar to you. So that is how you do the pattern fill 2 ways in Illustrator on the computer. Okay, the next thing we are going to do is a gradient mesh. So if you click over here on your big pumpkin, we are going to go to gradients over here and hit your freeform gradient. Oh, okay, so I had used shape builder here. We can do it in the O. All right, freeform gradient. And if you just click your points in here, each one of your dots, you can control the color. And you can also control the location of where it is. And then I'm going to go to my selection tool and make it much bigger. And then again, remember, you can control how much or how little the radius of each color is. And this is really handy if you want to make something look three-dimensional, or just have that really nice, colorful, and soft gradient look. Okay, so that is the freeform gradient and 2 different ways to make a pattern in Illustrator.